Biologists are trying to find ways of reducing biodiversity erosion. And one of the key causes is habitat fragmentation due to, deforestation, urbanization, agriculture, etc. So biologists are very much interested in understanding landscape connectivity and, increasing connectivity. In the US, like in the Rocky Mountain areas, there are three main reserves: the Yellowstones, the Glacier Park, and the Salmon Salway system. And ideally, we would like to connect, to have a big, gigantic corridor so animals can move around and socialize, visit the family and friends, and be happy. So on one hand, we need to understand, let's say, wolverines. We need to understand what are the requirements, the habitat requirements for the wolverines. This requires us to, gather information about the environment, information about, vegetation, about climate, about geography, etc. This is part of the story, because now we also need to integrate economic factors, because if we are going to protect the land, we need to buy the land. Well, that is yet another computational problem, and in fact it is an optimization problem, because now you want to buy the land, maximizing the utility or suitability for the species, but you have a budget constraint, and typically when it comes to conservation, there's not much money. So you really need to find, good solutions that are viable economically.